Why I buy. My name is Greg. My partner and I, Kyle, we're starting a brand new dumpster roll-off business. So I've been in the software development industry for over 20 years, and I've been working toward finding a trade where I could apply some of our software concepts. So starting a roll-off business, doing land clearing, things of that sort, kind of felt like a good place to go, and that's why we chose to take this path. So when we started looking for our trailers, obviously we started searching on the internet, and what you find is that there's a whole smattering of different people out there with different sizes, and we came across Texas Pride, and the thing that we liked most about them is their messaging was super clear. Their prices were awesome because they're factory direct. So the prices were so good, in fact, that we chose to drove all the way out from Florida to pick up these trailers. Yeah, when it came to working with our sales guy, Marty, and just the information he was able to provide us, everything from different financing options, the whole process of picking up the trailer, getting the new dumps and all that stuff, it just worked out really well with these guys. They took every single phone call we had and really have no complaints at all whatsoever. Now, when we pulled up, the lot's clean. They've got tons of inventory out here. You're going to see their factory and their facility, which was super cool to see. And everybody was super personable. They knew exactly who we are when we walked in. They called us by name before we even introduced ourselves. So they're definitely on the ball. They're prepared. The trailer was ready to go. We've been here for about 10 minutes. We've had a walkthrough. We're talking to you, and these guys are on their game. So, you know, if you're really concerned about whether or not you're going to get the support from the staff or whatever, I'm not being paid to say this. I'm telling you, this experience has been really wonderful for us. And that's why I buy Texas Pride.